Hello, this is the demo for Software Engineering Group 2's project, which is a internship finding site for MUIC CS students. So as you can see here, we basically have our goal of what we want to do, and also details about the cooperative internship. These were so far collated from the students themselves, as well as information that we've obtained from Pikan, the internship coordinator. Okay, so let's make an account. We can make an account on something random, say Bob Jones. So we can log in now. But we can also use Google SSO as well, and for this demo, let's do just that. So I'm going to log in with my student account. Okay, so first let's check out our profile. So right now it's pretty blank, so let's add some stuff to it. Right, it already has my name and email. So let's say I am a computer student that made big money in my senior year. God, actually, I don't think we limited this, so let's say 9,000 GPA. We can also upload a photo of Shrek, and our CV is also a photo of Shrek, and add some other information if we want. Let me just add my GitHub link. Yeah. So once we edit that, shows up on our profile, right? We got a nice profile image that we can also clear if we want. My GitHub link shows up here, right? Also other information that we could add will show up as well. So I have the resume here, which, let's say you want to take down, you can just clear. And if I make any posts or internships, they will show up here as well. So let's do just that. Let's create an internship. So let's say I found out that there is a good opportunity at Bob's company to work as a security guard. Or I'm looking serious here, I guess, to say back-end software engineer. Right? Or just back-end, I guess. And you can apply to Bob's company. Okay, we can select the time period this is, and also the deadline to apply. Of course, this has to be later than current day, so the deadline is the end of the month. Okay, and here is our new internship. Right? If you click into it, you can see all the necessary information, where to apply, right, when the deadline is. And we can also add an image. We should be able to add an image on create, but due to some technical issues, it was added to edit. Well, let's just do Shrek again. Okay, so that shows up. This is thanks to Lewis setting up S3 file hosting. So we have company images and profile photos and CVs and stuff. We can also delete it if we want, but let's keep it there for now. Well, you can see on the internships page, we also have the ability to sort and filter. For example, if I wanted to filter by company, at least we have test company, right? And that shows up, or we just made a Bob's company. Yeah, that shows up. You can also filter by position, right? Do we have any CEO positions? Sadly not, but we do have back-end at Bob's company. This is very crudely done, by the way, if you look at the code. Okay. We also have the students page. Ideally, this would be nicer if it had search, but for now, we're working with this, where basically you can see students and their profiles. So this is my profile that I just made, right? You can see the posts here. We also have Bob Jones 49, which we made earlier. That he registered, yeah, but he has nothing on his profile at the moment. Okay, but let's say we don't like Bob Jones 49. He's a nefarious user. We can become an admin and delete him. So, as an admin, we have access to the admin dashboard, which allows us to create new time periods, right? Allows us to manage users, right? And also to change user roles. Like, let's say we wanted to elevate my role or Justin Copeland's role to, an admin. That would give me administrative capability. But if we go to Bob Jones 49, see we have the option to delete his profile. Goodbye, Bob Jones. He's gone. This is a different Bob Jones. Let's delete him too. Goodbye, Bob Jones for 20. Okay. We also have the ability to edit internships and delete them. For example, if a student has posted some, scam stuff or like a link to a gambling site or something like that, we could delete it. But yeah, that is pretty much it for our project. Thank you for watching. Moving on to some more technical stuff. All of our repositories live in this organization, Software Engineering Group 2. We have the SQL diagrams, sequence diagrams, Open API here, but the Open API is probably, some of it probably does not match the actual backend API because we got sloppy. That's alright. In the backend itself, we have the backend, the SoundCloud stuff. And for the front end, you have as well, just ignore quality gate and coverage. But yeah, all of our code is in here. And moving on to deployment details, we have a DigitalOcean droplet on which we are running cat rover per Alex's recommendation from group 1. Basically, whenever there are changes to the release branch on our repositories, so we see here we have a main branch, release branch. Cat rover through a webhook will detect this and rebuild from the latest code on the release branch using the Docker file. And we also have our own domain name, as you can see here, nmysuffering.online. I was in a dark place when I made it. But yeah, and so so that's pretty much it for deployment details.
The syntax might seem much sweeter, where objects and subtypes play, but feels like inheritance only gets in the way of my simple landscape, efficiently dangerous.